Hello and welcome. So I've got an unboxing video for you here today. Well, I opened up the tape at the top, and I'll keep the box. If anybody wants to see the tape being cut, I'll put it back in the box and tape it up again, if that sounds all right. Anyway, what is it? It's a Cycplus smart tire inflator AL7. What's the point of getting something like this? Well, actually, to be quite honest, I was thinking more of the bicycle more than the motorhome, but all the same, I think this will be really useful. I spend a lot of time absolutely off grid, and that's often the reason why, for example, I can't attend my own premieres because I don't have sufficient internet access. So for something like this, I think this will come in really handy for off-grid life. If I turn the box around, here we have some of the information. We can see that it weighs 1.2 kilos and it has a pressure range of up to 100 psi or 6.9 bar. Now for the motorhome, there are charts which tell you really more or less how much pressure you should be putting in. I put my front tyres at 5.3 and the rear ones at 5.5 as a rule. I mean, it might depend, but that more or less using the tyres that I've got. Now with a bicycle, you put it in actually more than that. And I've seen people saying, well, on a bicycle, oh, you put like 1.5 or something because you put 2 in the car. No, if you've got good tyres, I've got the best tyres I could find on my own bicycle, so put it up to be pretty strong. Of course, you are taking more risk of getting a puncture doing that. So we've got also there, we've got the charging output, battery capacity, and all the rest. How long it takes, I don't know. We'll find out when it comes to real life use of it. Let's open up the box. User manual and product details, packing list, what's inside. That's useful. We'll check that. And there's some information about how to actually do it. I won't read it now. I'll read that later. Come in here. What have we got in here? That's it appears. And actually, it does feel now feel like 1.2. So we've got this box here, and there it is, the Cycplus. Now, obviously, it's too heavy to carry this around with you in your pannier bag on your bicycle. I mean, we always used to have pumps on our bicycles. Well, when I was a child, anyway. I have not had a bicycle pump since I was 16, I think. But so I've always used petrol stations, filling stations, I should say. Let's open this thing here up, and it's got a light. Just discovered it's got a light. Where was the light? I touched it. Oh, that's it here. That's the light. Oh, that's handy. Right, so the light works anyway. Right, so here's that's where the air comes out of. There, and it's going to need a thing on the end of that though. And I'm going to presume the thing on the end of it's in here somewhere. So in here we have got, if I can open it. I'm trying. There, so it's a charging cable, and we've got some extra bits in here. So can you see that we've got that? That's for the hose that we just saw, and whatever this is, I haven't got a clue. No doubt I'll find out in time. That is. Let's see if I can open this. Get a pair of scissors out. That would be easier. Oh no, or will it? No, we'll open it with a pair of scissors. Right. So that'll all assemble on here like that somehow, presumably. I won't try doing it now. I'll read the instructions first, and then I'll do it. So anyway, good. There you go. So this is, for anyone else wanting to get something like this, I'll give you a link. Can't remember how much it costs, but it'll be in the description. And hopefully this will make my life a little bit easier. I haven't actually really had the situation where I needed to blow up my motorhome tyres in an emergency so far. But I have had the situation where I wasn't able to use my bicycle when I was well and truly off-grid because I'd lost so much pressure. That's happened to me on a couple of occasions. I mean, both occasions I was fortunate enough to find somebody who had a pump on them, but I mightn't be so lucky the next time. But next time doesn't matter because I've got this thing here, and I always have my bicycle in the motorhome. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it. All the best. Bye for now.